This is my second video. I've been doing this Gua Sha pretty regularly. And this is my second video as I track my progress. As I said in the last one, you want to get a good coating so that the stone or the Gua Sha that you use slides very easily over your skin. Right now I have this one and this one. You want to open your lymph centers, and start the drainage down to your, everything's supposed to go towards your heart. And I've been making 30 passes. And I'm just showing you the directions. And I'm using this to get in here. And I do go up and down through here. I also use this one when I go in here, but I also use it in here and here. So these are the directions. I won't put you through the 30 passes.